Hi guys, Vicky from Try Less Meat and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely simple basic pie filling using brown lentils, garlic and onion. We're going to be adding in rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper and gravy. So let's get into it. Into a pan we're going to add oil and we're going to add the little mixture. I'm putting in the lentils with the onion and garlic so they can start soaking up those flavours. Next we're going to add in all the herbs, salt and pepper and give it a good mix. Cook for about 5 minutes till it starts going soft. Then we're going to make up some really thick gravy, add that, give it another good mix and let it simmer so it starts to go really thick, so it's good for to go into a pie or to add to any kind of pastry. As you can see, I made some pastry. If you don't know how to make pastry, click up here and I'll show you. Download our free lentils ebook, link in the bio. And for all things less meat, vegan and simple cooking, click that subscribe button for future notifications.